check in. We're a late arrival, so Kirsten's got to fill out the form here. So we just made it to our campsite. We got our table, fire pit right here. It's like 77 degrees, perfect day. Truck parked right there. Kirsten and Cecilia are still in the car, about to come out. But this is the spot that we just kind of picked 6 years ago, the first time we were going on this trip, and I don't come here a lot of times. It's 7:18, got here kind of late, so we said I'd go set up and get dinner going. Working on getting the tent set up. Got my helpers.
Here's another one.
So we got the tent set up now. Right there.
I go in the tent.
Someone's going in the tent there. And we're setting up.
There's a zipper on the bottom.
No rain fly tonight. So it's just me here at this moment here. Kirsten and Cecilia went to the playground, and I'm just holding down the fort, and I'm not complaining. Got some Coca-Cola, and got the charcoal just kind of lit right there. Wait till let's get it gray, and then we'll start making dinner. So I'm just enjoying the woods here at Walnut Hills Campground. Nice little spot. Works out for us. I'll show you my view here around. So like I showed you, there's the fire pit eventually we're going. We got the car there. Coca-Cola. And there's like a little inlet over there. Actually, let's go see what it looks like. So you walk over here. And there's always, whenever we come, there's always so many spider webs. So we're probably gonna go walk through a whole bunch of them. But it's a nice little cove here. We got a spider web. Another one. All right. Little cove. I'm assuming this at some point was a campsite. Or it's like a place you can put your tent if you want to be a little more secluded. Some power lines through there, but walking back. I feel like this used to be like a little cut through. They didn't always have those posts there. You see, that block you from driving through. So I wonder. I always wonder if it was like two sites at some point, but anyway, probably was, because technically I think two cars can technically park there. And then there's like this little inlet too if you want to, I don't know, be a little more secluded, private, or a bathroom. All right, but yeah, tent set up. Bed's not made fully, but just relaxing here and waiting for the charcoal to get nice and gray so we can make the lovely hot dogs. So there we go. I'm talking to myself here. So we got the hot dogs on the grill, and then in that bad boy right there, we got mac and cheese warming up in the foil there. Boom. All right, so just slowly letting them cook. Hopefully the rust from the grates don't really ruin it, but they work fine. So it's like 6:30 in the morning, and we got rain. So we're gonna be laying in the tent for a little bit till the rain stops. Luckily, I just got out of the bathroom, so I don't mind it. It's not really raining now, it's just residual. Be careful. A little spider web here, you can barely see. Just floating in the middle. Almost went right into it. But I'm getting coffee. So we're going to try this pour over from Stanley. Right here. And I think I'm about to have almost boiling water. Be careful to see it. And then you have the coffee's going to pour into this. And these are little cups there. See how it turns out. So I just filled it up with water. I'm slowly going to drip down in here into my other thermos. And then we use the cups that come with the Stanley thing. Nice, easy setup so far. Let's see how it tastes, though. Good coffee at camping is always a, I don't know, it's a plus. Well, I overfilled it. It was about to leak out, so then I put it in my cup. So, yeah. Hopefully it doesn't overfill there. And that's the last bit of the campsite. All packed up, just like we left it. Time to roll.